Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to take you through 4 easy solutions for fixing text neck and avoiding neck pain when you're texting. So using a mobile device is a really common cause of neck pain. And there's a number of reasons that we can get neck pain when we're texting. So what are the 3 causes of neck pain when texting? Okay, the first cause is looking down, and looking down, the further you look down, the greater the pressure on the neck and the joints in the neck. So looking down is the first thing. The second thing is looking down and jutting your head forward. So if you're looking down and jutting your head forward in that position with your chin poking, that will also contribute to neck pain. And the third thing is looking down at your mobile device for an extended period of time. Those are the 3 main causes of neck pain when texting. So let's look at our easy solutions for overcoming these problems. So our first solution is to avoid bending the neck too far forward. So it's particularly further than 60 degrees forward. So the way you can do that is by simply lifting your screen closer to eye level to avoid that looking forward and down position. Now the second solution is to try to support your arms when you're using your phone. So you could, for example, use your elbows on your desk, so supporting and taking the pressure and the tension out of your neck and shoulder muscles that way. Or if you're sitting down, you could actually even rest your elbows on your knees when you're texting. So that way you're taking the tension out of these neck and shoulder muscles and allowing them to relax. The third solution is to try to stay upright and use a really good posture when you're using your phone. So rather than slumping forward, if you lift your chest and lift the crown of your head while you're using your phone, your neck will be in a much better alignment than in that poked forward position when you're bending forward and slumping down. So lifting your posture, using really good posture, spine nice and tall when you're using your phone. So solution 4 is to try to avoid looking down for long periods of time. So if you're looking down that gaze for long periods of time, the muscles fatigue, the soft tissues will fatigue, and you'll be much more prone to developing neck pain with that prolonged looking down. Solution is to take regular breaks. So every hour trying to take a 5-minute break, and that might mean that you get up and you walk around for the 5 minutes, or you do a series of neck stretches. And I've got a little neck stretching routine, the links above, that you might like to do, which takes a couple of minutes to take the tension out of your neck and shoulders. So let's review what we've just talked about. We've talked about the 4 solutions for neck pain, and we've talked about the importance of avoiding bending the head too far forward, keeping it down there for too long, and poking the chin forward with the solutions that we covered. So I really hope these tips help you with your neck pain and overcoming text neck. Thanks so much for watching today. If you'd like my future videos, you can subscribe below, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.